and the universe is ready to support my dreams. I am a powerful aspect of divine consciousness. I am attuned to all that I need. I have an abundance of power inside of me. My outer world mirrors this wealth. I am strong, empowered, and resilient. There is no obstacle too challenging for me. I am attuned to my inner wisdom. The whispers of my highest self are my guide. I choose how I respond to my environment. My power thrives regardless of conditions outside of me. I am brimming with courage and confidence. I can achieve anything that I set my mind to. I am becoming more of my true self each day. I am thrilled to be consciously evolving. I embody the strength I perceive outside of me. I become what I desire.